Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to reconcile a customer invoice to a deposit in Xero. Even if you're a complete beginner or using a demo company, don't worry. I'll walk you through everything step by step. First, log into Xero and open the accounting menu at the top. Click Bank Accounts and then select the bank account where the payment or deposit came in. Inside your bank account, scroll down to the Reconcile tab. Here, you'll see all the bank transactions that Xero has imported. Look for the deposit you want to match with your invoice. Now, open a new tab, go to Business, then Invoices. Find the invoice that the customer has paid. Make sure its status says Awaiting Payment. If the customer paid a partial amount, the invoice will still be awaiting payment. Go back to the Reconcile screen, click the deposit. Xero automatically tries to find matching invoices. If the invoice shows up on the right side, just click OK, and Xero will match the payment to that invoice. Click Find and Match. A list of all unpaid invoices will appear. Tick the invoice that matches the deposit amount. If the customer paid partially, enter the amount manually in the small box next to the invoice. Then click Reconcile. Once reconciled, go back to Business, Invoices. Open the invoice and you'll see a green Paid label. The payment date and bank reference will also show in the invoice history. And that's it. You've just learned how to reconcile a customer invoice to a deposit in Xero. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.